Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial video. In this tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to send and share Google Sheet to WhatsApp. Alright guys, welcome to the channel. Please check out the link in the description for bonuses and resources we share with our viewers. So let's get started. How can you actually send and share your Google Sheets, that's your Google Worksheet, to WhatsApp? If you have the Google Worksheet on your desktop, all you need to do is just double click and open up the Google Worksheet, which is going to link you to your browser and open up all your Google Worksheets that you're working on. If you do not have the Google Worksheet as, a little app on your desktop, all you need to do is just go ahead and open up your browser. You can open up your browser and log on to drive.google.com. And then once you're on your Google Drive, all you need to do is just locate where the document is stored. That's the Google spreadsheet. So once you've located where it's stored, just double click on the document and it's going to open on your browser. All right, so once the Google worksheet opens up, your next step to sharing is at the top right corner just beside your profile image. That's your Google account profile image. All you need to do is where it says share, just click on the share option. And where it says untitled spreadsheet, you can now give it a name. And all you need to do is either click on save or skip. So I'm just going to skip this process and then show you what comes right after. So what comes right after is the option to add people to your Google Worksheet. It's going to notify them when the worksheet is sent out, so they are privately or personally invited to check out the worksheet. Now it says here people with access. You can see the owner is faintly blurred out, but you're the owner of the document. And now under restrictions, just click on this drop down and select anyone with the link. So when you set it up to anyone with the link, when you copy this link and share it on your WhatsApp, that's either on your mobile device, on your computer, because this tutorial works for both. When you copy your link and paste it in the chat box, you would then be able to share the link to your Google Worksheet on that device or on that platform. All right, so once you're done, just move it from viewer. It's set to viewer and select editor, but I'm just setting it to viewer and then clicking on copy link and then click on done. And now when you go ahead and open up your WhatsApp, let's head over to the taskbar. When you go ahead and open up WhatsApp, you can easily share this link on WhatsApp to whoever you want to share it to. All right, guys, so that's how you can easily go about this. Please don't forget to check out the link in the description for bonuses and resources we share with our viewers. Leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.